Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Ihoifo. If this is your first time here on my channel, please don't make it your last. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always stopping by. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to do that before you leave. And also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 secrets in achieving a flawless frontal installation. So if this sounds like something that might interest you, please keep watching. So you guys, this is one of the highly requested videos here on my channel. I'm so happy, I'm so glad I'm going to be sharing these 5 secrets with you guys. And first on my list is bleaching the knot. Some of us get this whole thing wrong. People think you bleach the lace. You don't bleach the lace, you bleach the knot and tint the lace. So bleaching has a big impact when it comes to your installation because that's one of the foundations to a flawless installation. And bleaching has pros and cons. So we're going to be starting with the pros. The pros, one of the pros is it helps to give the flawless installation, and it gives you this scalp illusion when you part the hair. And even in front, when the hair is properly bleached, it gives you this natural hairline look, whether the lace is HD or regular lace. Once the hair is bleached properly, you get that very fine, nice look illusion. Then for cons, when you leave the hair to, the product on the hair to stay for so long, it tends to like over bleach the hair, and this will result to the damage of the hair. So guys, for the type of developer and the type of bleach I use, I'm going to also share with you guys. So the name of the developer I use is Kingwella, and I like to use it in 13% or even a percentage that is lesser. So one of the reasons why is because I don't like it when my frontals react really fast, or when the product I put on the frontals reacts really fast, because I'm actually scared of paying for someone's hair. I mean, frontals are very expensive these days. You can get a 13x6 frontal for 150k, just 18 inches. So I wouldn't want a situation where I start paying for someone's hair. So the best thing is to invest in good products, and products that you can, I don't want to use the word manage, or product that you can watch while you're using it. So I think the 13% is the best for me. I've been using it for years because it helps to keep me in track when I am working with it. So the powder I have been using for a long time is the olive powder. There are different types of powders out there in the market, and there are good ones. So it just depends on what works for you. I believe in what works for me. So that's why I keep using the same product over and over. And most times when I try out new products, and I still fall back to my old product because these are the products I'm always comfortable working with. So second here on my list is plucking. So a lot of us think you can just get a HD frontal and just bleach it. Just do 1, 2, you've plucked the hair, and you're expecting to see a flawless installation, just like the one I have here on the screen. It doesn't work that way. You have to you have to pluck the hair. Pluck it like your life lives on it. Pluck it, because that's the only way you can get a natural outcome. You can just buy, or when clients come, you bleach and head straight to installation. No, that doesn't work. If they show you a picture, you look very well. The hair has been plucked. They plucked the life out of the hair. So that's what makes it look more natural. Even for HD lace, for regular lace, if the hair is properly plucked, you're going to get that natural hairline illusion. So that's it. Pluck the hair out of the hair. Did I say that right? Pluck the hair out of the hair. So the next one is tinting. Tinting has a big role it plays when it comes to installation, because that's what makes the lace look like the person's skin, because I can't have a white lace or an ashy lace on my skin because I'm dark. You're going to see it there. So it's better, or it's advisable, you use a matching tint for your client's complexion, something that matches her complexion, to tint the lace, so that by the time you're done with the installation, it's going to give you that, okay, it's her skin, it's her hair, the hair is coming out of her skin illusion. Because I live for perfection. So in order to do all this, you have to invest in lace tints. So there are some brands I'm working with, the Hair by Any brand and the Love Beauty brand. I'm going to leave their link in the description below, so you guys can go, order your own lace tint. They have it in different shades. So, but I think I have 3 shades from each brand, and I also use another brand, the NOB. So these are the basic shades I use. I have one in caramel, I have one in butterscotch, and I have one in chocolate. So these are like the regular skin tones you see every time, like for clients who come for installation. So it's better to just get the 3. Excuse me, but if you have enough money to invest in more skin tones, you can then buy it. And one more thing I would like to share with you guys is for people who are really light, I don't bother tinting the lace, because that's a waste of product, 1, and 2, it's going to look dark, because butterscotch is like for yellow people, not really white people. So when I get clients who are really light skinned, some girls are very light, so I don't bother using the lace tint. Like this one I'm also going to leave on the screen here. I didn't use a lace tint on her, so I just went on with my bleaching and clocking and went on with the installation. I didn't bother using a lace tint because I don't want it to be dark on the hairline. The idea is for it to look like the person's skin, like the hair is coming out of the person's scalp. So that's why I didn't bother tinting the lace. So this next one is your glue application and your melt spray. So these 2 things, they work hand in hand. So the way you apply your glue on the person's skin before you apply the lace goes a long way. So most times, or wherever I'm working, I don't like to do like big applications, like when you just pour the thing as if you're putting body lotion on your body. No, that's not how I apply my glue. I like to do it in small quantities, and then I like to use my rattle comb to like spread it. So once it clears, I can now go on with the second application and even the third one. So with that, you cannot see the chunkiness when you apply the lace on the person's skin. But when you put so much glue on the person's skin and you didn't even wait for it to clear before you went on to do the second one and the third one, you're going to see the chunkiness. That's why when you see some pictures of frontals on Instagram or some videos, you see there's like a thick line in front. So if you don't want to have those thick lines in front, no matter the glue you're using, no matter the brand you're using, I advise you do like small applications. If you follow me well on Instagram, you understand what I say. Whenever I do frontals, I don't like to use thick or maybe too much glue. I like to go on with tiny applications, because this helps with a flawless result. Because these days nobody wants to see your frontal all looking messed up and looking so cheap. Because no matter how much the client gets the frontal and you didn't follow all the steps judiciously, you're going to have a whack ass installation. Sorry for using that word. So the next one is the melt spray. So the melt spray these days for me is like the main thing when it comes to installation, because this helps to give it that it helps to make the lace disappear into the person's skin. I don't know how they produced this product, but kudos to all the brands I've worked with that have used the melt spray. Come on, all these melt sprays, they are bomb. Like when you just put it on the lace and tie down, then when you take it out, it's going to look like, oh my god, what magic did you guys do here? Do you get? So always use your melt spray. It's very compulsory if you want to have a flawless look. please, nobody should come and ask me if we don't get the melt spray, what can we use? I mean, there are times when I wasn't using the melt spray, and I think my work was still fine. But sometimes when I go back to some of the jobs I did without the melt spray, I ask myself, did you really do this? Because they look terrible to me, I won't lie. So just invest in your product. So you guys, this is the last tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So which is the hair band, the regular black band we use to tie our frontals. So I know when you use this on a client, it's really tight, but you just have to plead with them if they want to have the where's the lace illusion, lace nowhere, lace melts down, you know, use your microscope, all those phrases we use on Instagram. If you want to give them that kind of look, you have to plead with them, tell them, I need to tie this hair, because if you don't tie it, it's not going to melt. So now putting the melt spray and leaving it there is almost as using nothing on the hair, because the melt spray works hand in hand with the elastic band. So you have to put the elastic band for it to melt, because like I said, these two things, they work hand in hand. I know it's really painful, but you just have to plead with them and tell them this is how it's being done. So I advise you leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. So by the time you're curling the hair or you're styling the one behind, the hair in front is melting already. So by the time you take it out, trust me, your frontal game will never remain the same. I said it. You can come back. Hi guys, welcome back once again. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do that before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. So if you want to see videos like this, trust me guys, I am back, and I'm back for good. Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.